Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Corey, the camera coach, and this is another photo tip. This one's kind of interesting, maybe a little bit different perspective there, and that's exactly what we're focusing on. This is trying different viewpoints. This particular perspective is considered a worm's eye view because it's looking up. It's really exaggerating the subject, so that way it makes it a more prominent figure in the frame and just tells you flat out, hey, this is the biggest thing in the frame. This is what you're going to pay attention to, right? So very easy to achieve. You just have a low angle. Your lighting may have to adjust. You might need some sort of additional lighting or a reflector or something like that, unless you're really wanting a bunch of shadow, right? Because typically the light sources come from the top, and so that's going to eliminate some of the lighting there. But overall, it's kind of fun to play around with, especially with like babies and smaller subjects that you don't normally get to look really large. Right, so I'd love to see anything that you guys have done it from this perspective. If you have any questions about exactly how to achieve this, then you can make sure that you reach out, okay? If you have any questions about how to achieve this perspective, or you want to share some of your own samples, I would love that. So send them my way. You can do it through social media or email, Corey@photocameracoach.com, and we can kind of dialogue from there. You can also join the online community, which there's a link in the description below. And that's another way that you can, I'd say, have a little bit more dialogue, a little more intentional communication than just social media. So that's all for now. This is Corey signing off. Have a good one.